Good evening. Today I want to talk about seismic precision for electric cable tree. In Chinese electric code, under some situations, seismic precision is requested in some projects. But how about projects abroad? Is there any similar requirement? Sorry. Up to now, there is little information about this. So, the question is raised. It's well known that in the sprinkler system, it's a firefighting system. As per NFPA 13, the seismic precision is required. But you can seldom find the similar requirement for electric cable tree. Why? If you check a specification carefully, maybe you can find the answers to this question. In a building or in a room, for electric installation, for some electric equipment, they are installed on the floor. That means freestanding, okay? Like a LV switchgear, like that, like a diesel generator set. And for some other electric equipment, they are installed on the wall, like electric panel board, controller panel board, etc. And for other electric equipment, such as the lighting fixtures, okay, like the protectors, okay, and you can find the seismic requirement in the specification, but we cannot find the similar requirement for electric cable tree. Why? If we want to answer this question, I think we should have a basic logic. I often tell our young engineers, the engineering logic is very important. If we cannot understand the basic logic, we cannot work out any answers. We cannot find a way out. If we compare a sprinkler system, pipeline, and electric cable tree, we can find some difference, alright? What's the feature of the sprinkler system pipeline, and what the feature of the electric cable tree? They are different, alright? the seismic design, I think is just think about seismic load, the seismic load analysis, alright? So the sprinkler system pipeline is totally different from electric cable tray, alright? This is the basic logic. So when some Chinese engineers begin to contact projects abroad, they always follow the Chinese electrical code rules. Okay, it's not correct. It's not correct. We cannot forget the basic engineering logic. And especially for some Chinese government aid projects, we cannot simply follow Chinese standards. For such projects, the design institute just follow Chinese design standards and design codes. But we cannot simply transfer seismic pricing to such projects. Okay. Another reason is about maintenance. In some countries, there are not so many skilled workers. Okay, they don't know how to do such maintenance work. But for sprinkler system pipeline, it's totally different, right? So the video this evening, I just want to tell my friends, when we think about engineering issues, we must follow engineering logic. It's very important. I hope this video is helpful for your job. Thank you.